Number 7, motion, force and work. In that next point, average velocity and instantaneous velocity. The velocity of an object can change even while it is moved along a straight line. Means if object is moving on straight line, then also their velocity changes. Velocity means speed. Suppose at the starting the speed of object is more, but after some time the speed of object is less, means their velocity changes. Suppose that a truck is covering a distance of 40 km for A to D in a straight line, that is its displacement will be 40 km. Now see, this truck is going from A to D and the distance and or displacement of A to D is 40 km. If it is required along 1 hour for this, its average velocity is 40 km per hour. See, from A to D, truck needs 1 hour for going this 40 km distance. However, if the truck travel the 10 km distance AB in 10 minutes, BC in 20 minutes and CD in 30 minutes. See, AB distance is 10 km, required 10 minutes. BC is also 10 km, but it requires 20 minutes. Means here same distance required 10 minutes, and next time for B to C same distance but time is required more. And CD distance is 20 km and time requires 30 minutes. See, here time requires 10 minutes, here time requires 20 minutes, means the velocities changes. The velocity for the distance AB in kilometer per hour. Now we are finding the velocity for AB only. AB, how much kilometers? 10 kilometer. How much time takes it requires? 10 minutes. Now we have to convert in kilometer per hour. Means I am multiplying by 6 to numerator and denominator. 10 multiplied by 6, 60. And 10 multiplied by 6, 60 minutes. And here 60 kilometers. Means their velocity is 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. Now reduce the velocities for the distance BC and CD. We see that the velocity of the truck is different in a different segment of the road, AB, BC and CD. See, velocity changes. Here time requires 10 minutes, here 20 minutes, here 30 minutes, means velocity is changes. Velocity is not same. See, here distance is same 10 km, but time required different. Time required different. That's why means the velocity is changes. The average velocity of the entire route AD. This is our route AD. The average velocity of this entire route AD is 40 km per hour. The velocity at a particular moment of a time is called instantaneous velocity. The instantaneous velocity can be different at different times. Instantaneous velocity can be different at different time. Means that velocity, instantaneous velocity is not same at every time. This is different on different times. Next, acceleration. Here the formula of acceleration is given. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time taken for a change. You have to learn this formula. In a previous example, the truck covered the distance AB at a velocity of 60 km per hour, BC 30 km per hour and CD 40 km per hour. Just now we have seen the example of truck. Their velocity is given here at the different point AB, BC and CD. It means that the velocity of a distance CD is greater than the velocity of the distance BC. Now see, what is the velocity of distance BC is 30 and for CD is 40. Means the velocity of CD is greater and velocity of BC is less. See, here 40 means this is greater and this is 30 km per hour means this is less. From the number of seconds required for this change in velocity to take place, the changes in velocity per second can be deduced. This is called as acceleration. What is the causes of acceleration? You know that the truck driver increases or decreases the velocity of the truck by means of the acceleration. Means in sometimes if traffic is there, then the speed of truck is reduces. If there is no traffic and road is also okay, road is empty, there is no traffic on road, that time the driver increases the speed of the truck, means the acceleration is changes. You might have seen a toy car that runs on a clockwork spring. When it released on a flat floor after winding up the spring, it goes to a straight line. However, then it is hit on a one side, it changes direction and keeps going. All of you know the toy car. If you turn that key, then that car started running on a straight line. After suppose if the collides into the wall, it stop. If that car touches the window or touches the wall, then that car changes their speed. Sorry, changes their direction. If that car collapse down, means अगर वो कार अगर उल्टी और पलटी हो जाती है तो उस वो कार क्या हो जाती है, स्टॉप हो जाती है. इट मीन्स दैट इट्स वेलोसिटी चेंजेस, मीन्स देयर वेलोसिटी इज चेंजेस. हाउ डिड दिस चेंज टेक्स प्लेस? इट हैपन्स बिकॉज द कार कम्स इनटू कॉन्टैक्ट विथ समथिंग एक्सटर्नल टू इट. हमने इसमें क्या देखा था, हमने एक टॉय कार ली थी और उसको हमने उसकी जो की रहती है वो घुमाई और की घुमाने के बाद वो कार स्ट्रेट लाइन में जाने लगी. अगर वहाँ पे वॉल आती है तो वो वॉल को टच करके अपनी डायरेक्शन चेंज कर देती है. अगर वो अपनी डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं करती है तो वो क्या हो जाएगी, वो कार फॉल्स डाउन हो जाएगी, तो वो कार स्टॉप हो जाएगी. मीन्स देयर वेलोसिटी चेंजेस. It happens because the car comes into a contact with someone external to it. On a football ground, how does the direction of a ball moving on a straight line changes? फुटबॉल का ग्राउंड है, वहाँ पर वो बॉल की डायरेक्शन कैसे चेंज हो जाती है? हाउ द चेंज ऑफ बॉल, डायरेक्शन ऑफ बॉल चेंजेस. क्योंकि अगर इफ वन प्लेयर touches that ball and changes their direction of the ball, we see some player changing its direction by kicking it. वो दूसरा प्लेयर क्या कर जाएगा, वो बॉल को किक करके उसकी डायरेक्शन चेंज कर देगा. When its direction changes, the velocity of a ball changes. जैसे उसकी बॉल की डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाती है, their velocity also changes. It is to say an acceleration takes place. The interaction that being about the acceleration is called as a force. Force acts on a body. force किस पे एक्ट होता है, बॉडी के ऊपर एक्ट हो जाता है.